So today's tutorial is going to be how to create a logo or design a logo in Adobe Photoshop in a few clicks. But if you want your logo in a printed version, this tutorial is not recommended for you. So without adding further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. This is Sri from Doodler Sri. So today we will be recreating this particular logo. So first of all, I wanted to say, like, making logo in Photoshop is not recommended if you want it in vector format or if you want it in printed version. So I will recommend not to use or not to make your logos on Photoshop, because Photoshop is a raster based software and it will not give you any vector images or in any vector kind of shapes. So when you will get it in printed version, your logo might be pixelated, or if you want it in a bigger version, you need to do it in any kind of vector based software like Adobe Illustrator, Corel Draw and others. Okay, these things you can do if you only need this for your web pages, websites or any other wave format. First of all, I will give the background a color. So I will choose this color for the background. So I will just paste it here, and here is my background. So now I will create a shape. So before creating the shape, I will choose the color I wanted to give on the shape. So I will choose this particular color code, and you can choose your own color code as you want it. So I'm just selecting it for here. It's okay. So now I will go back to the bottom of this tool panel, and here you will get rounded rectangle tool. So I will select that, and here you can see like fill is the color I wanted, and stroke is none. So I will not I don't need any stroke for this particular shape, so the stroke is none. So if you want stroke, you can click here and you can choose your desired color and the particular size you want it for the stroke. Okay, so for the time being I want only the shape. So while clicking on shift, I will just, first of all I will create a new layer, and then while clicking on shift I will drag a shape here. Okay, so now I want this corner to be rounded. So to do that, I will change this pixel to 150. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Now I got the shape, and I will create another shape on the top of this. So I'll create another layer, and I will go to ellipse tool. So I will choose the other color here, and I'll paste it here. And now I will go back to ellipse tool, and on the top of it, while pressing the shift key, I will drag this particular shape. Okay, so now I will just drag it a little bit up so I can place it where I want it, just like that. Okay, so now I don't need this outer part of this area. So what I will do is okay, so first of all I will create a copy of this. Okay, duplicate layer, and I will work on this. So now I will select color range and will select this part or this area, and I will just fill it with this color again. Okay, and I don't need this anymore. And for this one I will click on, I need this color. So I will go back to this original shape. I will choose layer style, color overlay. Okay, and I will choose this particular color. Okay, so now I have got two shapes, and I need some drop shadows here. It's fine. So Now I got this, and what I will do now, I will just merge it with another layer, the top. Sorry, I just merge layers. Okay, so now I select this part and will delete this part from here. Okay, so yeah, now I have got only this part or this area here. So what I will do is, now I will merge these two layers and I will go to edit free transform and just distort it a little bit, just like that. Okay, so here you go. Now I will go to paint tool and I will make a shape here. Okay, so just like that, and we'll go to convert point tool and just adjust this a little bit, and again I'm going to add anchor point tool and just placing it at the right place where I want it. So you can adjust it at your own like style or the way you want it. And then I'll go back to paint tool and I will just select this part, okay, and make selection, and now I will duplicate this particular layer and I will just delete this part from the upper layer, and here you go. So here I will change this color and okay, and I will give it a drop shadow again. So just make the distance a little bit, just like okay. So now I'm hitting OK. So here the like the icon is ready. So smudging these two layers, and now I need a like a shadow just below this particular icon. So to do that, I will take another layer and I will just make a ellipse like this. Okay, I'll go to select, refine edge, make it feather just like that, it's smooth, yeah, hit OK, and then I'll select this color, take some little bit darker color and just fill it like this. Okay, now deselect, edit, free transform, and just making it like that to get it, yes. So it's look like a shadow here. Okay, so now I'm merging this two layer and keep it aside, and I will go to text. I will write something here. So I'm using Mont font here. You can use anything you want. So Mont, okay. So I'm choosing the color white for the logo. Okay, so from here you can choose the text color, and I'll make I will create it so I'm just writing your logo. So for logo I will make it heavy demo, bold, and From here you can choose, from here you can choose this a little bit more, like 79. Okay, and this is fine. Okay, so just dragging it here a little bit. Yes, so I'm done.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and learned something from this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give your positive comment in the comment section, and also let us know about how you feel about this particular tutorial. So be happy, be awesome, be positive, and be unique. So I will see you in the next video. Until then,